Guys, I'm going to quickly show you how you can lock your profits. So this is volatility 100. I entered at 15294.44. So to lock profit means to secure the profit so that even when the price goes up, I'll still have profit from this trade. So let's set the stop loss to 150.85. 150.85. So with this, we have assured that we have profit from this trade even when it decides to go up. Once it reaches 150.85, it will close and I'll still have my money. So this is how you secure profit, by locking. So you can see the SAO is now there.